In today's video, I'll show you guys NFS Most Wanted 2005 stores its save and config files so you can easily pack them up and restore them anytime. All you have to do is open up File Explorer and go to C drive and go to users folder, username folder. If it doesn't know your username, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see your username and then double click on it and double click on the documents folder, NFS Most Wanted folder, your game name folder, and this is where all your game progress will be saved. Now I show you guys backup guide. Just go back and copy this game name folder and paste it in another location. If something goes wrong, you can easily restore your game progress just by copy and paste it in this location and select the replace the file in the destination, and if your game progress will be back. And configuration settings, you can edit your in-game settings in here. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.